Through this example, I want to show how we can create a relative frequency distribution given the frequency distribution of the data. Notice that we don't have the raw data in this case, so we're going to need to do something a little different. So let's open this data in StatCrunch. And what I want to do is go to Stat, Tables, Contingency, and with Summary. Honestly, a lot of the stuff that this particular feature will offer, we're not going to use, but we can still get these relative frequencies. It's kind of like a workaround. So for select column, let's select births. That's where the frequencies are. And the row labels will be those intervals that are defined in the age of mothers column. And then we're skipping some things here, and we're going to go down to display, and we'll select percent of total. Again, you can see there's other things that this feature will do that we're not going to use, so we'll just click Compute. And what we see is for each interval, we have the frequency and the relative frequency listed as a percent. So what we're going to need to do when we go back to My Math Lab is change these percentages into their decimal form. And you can see here I've typed in the decimal form of the percentages that I was given here underneath each frequency for those individual birth in each category. If you need more information, like if you need to calculate one of these by hand, say for instance you just didn't have enough decimal places, you do have the total represented here, and you could do one or two of these by hand. But with that, we have the relative frequencies given the frequency chart.